Hi folks, just a little announcement from me. I finally got my second YouTube channel up and running, which I would really love you to come over and take a look and come and subscribe. And here's a little promo that I made for it.
Welcome to Sound Asleep Dreamscapes, where you can cozy up by a roaring fire, come in out from the cold or the freezing rain, reminisce about old family holidays, or dream about new ones. Grab a drink with a few friends, or maybe just have a glass of something on your own. At Sound Asleep Dreamscapes, I try to keep the videos seasonal, so whether you're looking for something Christmassy during the holiday season,